Hey guys, welcome to another featured property brought to you by Amado Romero, listing specialist with eXp Realty from Team Absolute Top Dollar. Today's property is located at 19270 Southwest 29th Court in the beautiful city of Miramar, Florida. Now let's go take a look inside. Hey guys, welcome to this feature property. Wait until you see what this property has to offer. So before we actually take the tour, I want to just kind of explain to you exactly what this property has in store for you guys. We have 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, you have a stunning pool, and you have this beautiful vaulted ceilings with nothing but recessed lighting throughout the whole entire house. And you have a 2-car garage. So we're here in the first room. This is the family room. Now when you step into this room, I don't know about you, but I feel like royalty. This room is like a king and queen room, right? You're waiting for your queen to arrive, you're waiting for your king. I mean, this room has so much stuff to talk about real quickly here. You have, look at the details. You have the beautiful molding on the walls. They're gold, which makes you feel, you know, like royalty. The way they decorated this room is spectacular, right? It almost feels like you're in Buckingham Palace. If you know, you know. And you also have the recessed lighting up on the ceilings, which, by the way, all the ceilings are actually texture ceilings, so there's no popcorn, and you have recessed lighting throughout the whole entire house. This room, especially this room here, you have the molding on the ceilings. It's very rare that you see the molding on the ceilings, which makes this room look so spectacular, and you feel, like I said, like royalty. Now, as we walk into the house, we're gonna walk into the dining room area. This dining room area is just like this room, right? It makes you feel like royalty. This room also features all of the you know, molding on the walls. You have so much space here. When you purchase this house, this is gonna be the house where everyone wants to come for Thanksgiving dinner, Christmas, New Year's, so you better be ready. This room right here is spectacular, it's very spacious, and the details on this room, once again, you have the beautiful crown molding, you have the molding on the ceilings as well. I mean, it's very rare that you see this, and it's all high volume ceilings, okay? So this is an amazing dining room area for a party of, who knows, 15, 20. Now, we're about to walk into the favorite part of my house. If you guys have been following us at Absolute Top Dollar, then you will know that the kitchen is my favorite part of the house. Now check out this kitchen. This is my dream kitchen, okay, because of the space that this kitchen has to offer. You have the blue-black granite on the island area right here, which is really unheard of. You've never seen this color granite, which makes it spectacular. You have the granite on the backsplash throughout the whole entire back of the wall. You have all stainless steel appliances. What I love mostly about this kitchen, you know, aside from the granite, is that you also have the white cabinetry. Right now, this is what's in. This is what people are asking for. So you moving into this house, you don't have to change anything. I mean, of course, if you don't want to change something, that's up to you, but I want it. You have the beautiful wood cabinetry. You have the mirrored glass little handles right here. I mean, again, the floors are also all wood floors throughout the entire house, first floor, second floor. And what's also cool about this area is that you have this little breakfast nook area. You have a little breakfast nook area right over here, looking outside to your beautiful, gigantic, humongous pool backyard area. I'm telling you, wait until you see that pool, okay? It's amazing, but I'll leave that for last. So as we're walking through this beautiful, spacious kitchen, you have also the living room. This living room right here, I mean, while you're cooking, you have the TV right there while you're watching, you know, Sunday football, Monday night football. I mean, you have this really open, spacious floor plan, which makes this house so spectacular. I mean, I'm excited just touring this house with you guys. And by the way, this entertainment center right here comes with the house. I'm also going to show you one more thing on this floor before we go upstairs. You also have here a the one bedroom here on the first floor, okay, and the rest of the bedrooms are upstairs. Look at this, how spacious this bedroom is. Again, you have the crown molding, you have the beautiful texture ceilings, you have the baseboards. I mean, the sellers really put a lot of love and details into this home. And this room right here, you could actually fit a king size room. I mean, a king size bed, okay, excuse me. I feel like a king inside this room. So let me go ahead and walk you upstairs. Wait until you see what upstairs has to offer. Oh wait, one more thing, wait, there's more. You have a bathroom right here as well. What's cool about this bathroom is that you have the walk-in shower, you have the nice white cabinetry, and all the bathrooms, they share the same type of vanity top. It almost looks like a little pearl color. I mean, it's so pretty. Now let's go upstairs, let's go check it out. Let's see what the upstairs has to offer. And also, by the way, hold on, if you have guests and you don't want them using that bathroom, you have a guest bathroom right here in the living room. Hopefully they don't use that bathroom after a party or while you're watching TV, you know, make them go use somewhere, another bathroom upstairs. Now, before we go upstairs, I just want you guys to see that these here vaulted ceilings, amazing, right? And you have this wooden staircase. Now, this wooden staircase is spectacular because of the simple fact it has the wrought iron staircase, which is amazing. Let's go check it out, take a look upstairs. Now that we're upstairs, this is where you actually feel like a king, right? Like I said, you have the wrought iron staircase. And again, I can't keep talking about it and express how I feel about all the molding on the walls, even up here, you know. And then again, you have all the beautiful texture ceilings. I mean, it looks so spectacular. I love it. Then you have here the other bedroom. Every bedroom in this house, you can fit a king size bed. That alone is valuable. And again, moldings, you have the baseboards, you have the wood laminate flooring throughout the second floor, just like the first floor. Now check this out. There you go. This is the other bathroom. You have the his and hers sink, and like I mentioned, you have this pearl pinkish color right here in the vanity, which is amazing. You have the nice white cabinet on the bottom right there. You also have a walk-in shower with a frosted glass, okay, which is so superb and spectacular. And you have the tile, the porcelain tile from the floor to the ceiling, all black. I mean, who doesn't like that combination, right? That little black combination there in the bathroom looks spectacular. Here you have another bedroom. Again, these bedrooms, all 5 bedrooms, offer a lot of space. You have, again, here you could put a king size bed. I can't express that enough because no one has to be without a king size bed. I don't care if you're 10 years old, okay? We all love king size beds. And you have all these big windows right there that lets in all that natural light. This house offers so much natural light, so much beauty. I mean, this house is spectacular. I can't wait to see the person who ends up buying this house because you are going to be happy. Here is the other bedroom. Once again, you have enough room to put a king size bed. You have the window right there looking outside to your pool. This definitely, if I was a child, would be my room because I want to check out the pool, you know, see what's going on. Now, as we're walking into the final bedroom, this right here is a master suite. I mean, if you haven't seen a master suite, well, let me show you this master suite. Here, you could actually fit in a California king bed. You have the beautiful molding up there, and the ceilings is kind of, as you can see there, it doesn't stay flush. There's a inside, you know, you have the molding right there where, you know, it just makes it look like royalty. You know, I'm just so lost for words sometimes. I just can't even explain. You gotta just feel this house. This house is so spectacular. That's the word of the day, because this house you feel like royalty. Now you're walking into the master bathroom. Sorry, this master bathroom. I mean, forget about it. You can have a party in this bathroom, right? You have the walk-in shower. I mean, you fit like 5 people. Not like you need to fit 5 people, but you can, right? With it. And then you have here the Roman tub. Again, the Roman tub and the vanity tubs for all the bathrooms, they all match. It's that pinkish, pearlish vibe. And you also have the bathroom right there. This is a very beautiful master suite with the master bedrooms. And you have 2 walk-in closets right here to the left and the right. We're not gonna walk into the closets because, you know, you never know what you're gonna find in the closets. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and walk you guys back downstairs to show you the backyard, because the backyard is an entertainer's dream. Wait until you see what the backyard has to offer. Let's go take a look. So before we go outside, I want to mention one thing. I wanted to keep this towards the end of the tour because it's the bonus. The bonus room right in here, okay? You have the laundry room right here, okay? You have the spacious laundry room. This right here is the 2-car garage. Right now, they actually converted it to another room. You have beautiful porcelain tile on the floor. They got beds in there. I mean, you could turn that into a man cave, or if you want, you could actually go ahead and use it as a 2-car garage. It's not a problem. But to me, that's the bonus room because of the way they're using it in this house, okay? Now, the best part of this house, aside from the inside and feeling like a king and queen and, you know, feeling like royalty, wait until you see what this backyard has to offer. This backyard is amazing, okay? This is my type of backyard. Now, when you walk out to the house, as you can see, you have all the windows right here. So when you walk into the house, you can actually see, you know, upon entering the house, you can actually see the pool. Now, this right here is a covered concrete little back patio area, which is great because it protects you from the sun. So you can hang out right here when it gets too hot out there. You can set up a barbecue like they did here. You can put some chairs, you can put a TV. This house is also fully equipped with hurricane according shutters throughout the entire house, even in here, so you feel safe and protected during the hurricane season. Now check this out. Watch your back. This is right here. That's right. You gotta watch your back when you're walking around this place, because this place right here in this backyard, this is the entertainer's dream. This is what I would love in my house. You have so much space right here, so you can host a party, birthdays, I mean New Year's Eve birthday parties. I mean, it's amazing. So again, guys, this house is located in the beautiful Sunset Lakes. We are out here west Miramar. You can't go any west. So this is one of the best things about this place, is that there's only one way in and one way out. You have all the local shops, all the best restaurants, the best schools. I mean, the HOA in this place is so low, it's incredible. I believe the sellers told me it's less than $200, which includes a home alarm system, you know, cable, the clubhouse. You don't need to use their pool because you have your own pool right here, right? But basketball courts, tennis courts, beautiful, great schools. I mean, it's amazing. And by the way, if you don't have the key code to get in, you're not gonna get in because it's a gated community. Now, once again, this house is located at 19270 Southwest 29th Court in Miramar, Florida. Looking forward to seeing you guys at the open house this weekend. Once again, my name is Ahmad Romero. This house is going to go fast. This is a must-see. I'm telling you, if you're looking for a house and you want to feel like a king and a queen, this is the house for you. Myself and my partner, Cameron Castillo, our goal is always getting you the best offer at absolute top dollar. Thank you and have a great day.